So this is how you need to use. So single prints are one way. So if you see yesterday, so this is the single print. So this will act as a strong level of support. Okay, this will act as a strong level of support. So Monday, if you see, we have a close higher, and we have a sort of a pullback. We have a sort of a pullback here. So my references will be, this is first reference plus there are some single prints here, and this is the high. Okay, so if the auction is opening within the range, so this is the range of yesterday's profile. If the auction is opening within the range, first I'll be seeing that it should clear the highs, and because market always goes higher to find new sellers, and and if the auction reaches below, this indicates that selling confidence is high. Then I'll shift what is happening at this level, and lastly at this level, because this is a strong level of support. Okay, so what I'll be doing is, if you want to trade this, just wait for the auction to reach this level, and then you can book for longs, because first you need to see overall trade facilitation, because one I would say a thing which is happening currently in the market is, in my 10 years I have never seen a trend day followed by one more trend day. So what happens is, there is a trend day, then there is a sort of balancing, and then we saw a trend day. Again we have a sort of balancing, and again we see a trend. But what has happened in Bank Nifty is pretty surprising, because this is the first time which I'm seeing. So if you see from the overall context perspective, okay, so this was the gap. So basically this was a trend day, then we had a balance, again we had a balance, again we had a balance, again there was a sharp up move, again a balance, then we had a down move. Okay, so basically it triggered all the stops, it cleared this weak low, and now next day what is happening is, we are again having a one more trend day. So this is pretty rare, in the markets. This type of scenario is pretty rare. Okay, so this is all about the single prints.